Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome with another important video. This is a level of order block where black horizontal line is a order block, and the market is a downtrend. And this is, let me write down here. this sorry base level sorry plus market was a downtrend. So we have here base level and the market was a very downtrend. So that was the first option. And I have seen another proof which I'm going to share with you today. Three strong green candles. These three green candles proves me that the market will change into uptrend for the next 5 or 4 minutes, and that is why I've placed this in a call option or buy option. So you have to know what you are doing here. So I think the market will come there around here, guys. It will be around here, and this is where I have placed my power 5 strategy. So about 5 strategy, if you don't know, I have made a video which is about uh, this strategy. So as you can see, market goes to reach there. So my name is Hassan and this is my strategy. As you can see, market will be there for the next 4 or 5 minutes. So don't uh, don't feel fear because I have a very confident about this trade to reach this level or to hit this level or break that level. So you see these red candles you see now maybe are retracement candles because after these three strong green candles market did not make any retracement candles. So don't surprise or don't hesitate your trade because these are only retracement candles and they will be two or maybe three, and your time expiry is 5 minutes. So you don't need to fear, you don't need to hesitate your trade, don't gamble with your money, just learn. And this is what I'm showing you today, or what I'm sharing with you today, is the experience of my own experience that I've been in this market. So if you wanted to be a good trader, you have to be a disciplined, you have to consider your process. So if you're new here, I'm requesting you to hit subscribe button, share the video with your friends, with your family. If you're from non-English speaking country, translate to your own language. So wish you good luck and great future. This is a day in my life of IQ option trader, and I will share with you more. But if you show me the love of this, I will do a lot of great videos that are very important. So you have to respect your process. Don't think that everything comes easy, but it comes with hard work and dedication. So try to do your own dream, and this is what I like to do. I'm not forcing myself. I'm not doing for extravagant or something like that, but I'm doing here is about my passion. So as you can see, we want this trade, and I'm sure the market will hit that level that I've marked already. So if you're new here, please hit subscribe button and turn on notification bell. Wish you good luck and great future. And every day I have a plan, and that plan is only to take one trade. By analyzing the market, and then I trade my Bow 5 strategy, only one trade. So wish you good luck. Bye bye.